If 1 plus x to the power n equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus dot dot plus cn into x to the power n, then what is the value of c1 plus c3 plus c5 plus dot dot? Now put n equal to 3 here, n equal to 3. So we get 1 plus x cube, that is 1 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube equal to n equal to 3, that is we can write here c0 plus c1 x plus c2 into x square plus c3 into x cube. Now comparing both sides, we get c0 equal to 1, c1 equal to 3, c2 equal to 3 and c3 equal to 1. Now for n equal to 3, we have to find the values of c1 plus c3. So c1 plus c3 equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now we have to check which of the following 4 options gives the value of 4 for n equal to 3. So if we put n equal to 3 in the option D, we get 2 to the power n, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 square, that is 4. So D is the right answer. Factorial n into 1 by factorial n plus 1 by factorial 2 into n minus 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial plus dot dot up to 1 by factorial n. What is the value of this lengthy expression? We have given 4 options here: 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n minus 1, 2 to the power n plus 1, 2 to the power minus n plus 1. We don't go with proper method. We apply here a shortcut trick. For n equal to 2, this expression becomes factorial n, that is factorial 2, and 1 by factorial n, that is 1 by 2 factorial, plus 1 by 2 factorial into n minus 2, that is 2 minus 2, 0 factorial. We don't go further because if we put n equal to here, we get factorial of minus 2. So it gives factorial 2, that is 2 into half plus half, that is we get 2 here. Now if we put n equal to 2 in the option B, we get 2 to the power 2 minus 1, that is 2 to the power 1, that is 2. So B is the right answer. One more interesting sum: 1 by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial into n minus 5 factorial plus dot dot. Which of the following 4 options is the value of this expression? Now put here n equal to 3. So we get 1 by 1 factorial into n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 factorial, plus 1 by 3 factorial into 3 minus 3, that is 0 factorial. Now if we put n equal to 3 here, we get a factorial of negative number. So we can write up to this term. So we get 1 by 2 factorial, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. So we get 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. Now we can check which of the following 4 options gives the value of 2 by 3 for n equal to 3. Now check the option B. 2 to the power n minus 1, that is 2 to the power 3 minus 1 by 3 factorial. 2 to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2 square, that is 4, and 3 factorial, that is 6. So we get 2 by 3. So B is the right answer.